In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to rename your website in Wix and make some adjustments in the site address and other areas. This process is quite straightforward and useful when you feel the need to change your website's name or address for any reason. Let's start by logging into the Wix platform first. After logging in, please look for your My Sites page and bring it up, as we'll be making our changes there. Once you're on the My Sites page, start searching for the specific site you're interested in renaming. Now, to locate the necessary options, look out for an icon labeled Site Actions. You should be able to recognize this icon by its unique representation of 3 dots. Click this icon to reveal a menu with various options, one of which will be Rename Site. This is the option we are interested in, so it's the one you'll need to select. As the Rename Site option opens up, you'll see a field labeled Site Name. This is where you enter the new name you've chosen for your site. It is important to be sure of the name you're opting for, since it would be the new identity for your website. Additionally, if your Wix URL is currently free, you have the opportunity to edit the site address, otherwise known as the URL. This implies you can change the free domain name you are currently using. Editing this is optional, but can add a further layer of customization to your site. Once you have finished editing both the site name and site address as per your requirement, remember to save your changes. This can be done by clicking on the Save button, which should be visible on your screen. If you don't save, the system won't register the changes you've made. The next thing to do is to navigate to the Pages and Menu section of your site. Within this area, look for the icon named More Actions, recognizable by the 3 dots adjacent to your homepage. Once you locate this, click on it to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled SEO Basics. Upon entering the SEO Basics area, you'll find an editable field named Title Tag. This is where you update to reflect the new name of your site. This is especially important for search engine optimization purposes. After updating this field, remember to publish the changes by clicking on the Publish button. And there you have it, a renamed Wix website that better suits your needs. This is a simple and straightforward process that can help you keep your website content fresh and aligned with your brand's updates. Every now and then, a rebranding exercise using these steps may just prove useful.